Hi guys, we are still on the sniper entry series. This video is all about how you can enter a sniper entry and grow your $200 to roughly $300 to $500 and above. I spotted a entry at the daily time frame, and then I took out my horizontal line to mark that point of where market rejected. There were so many rejections at that zone, so I definitely knew that this market was about to retrace. I came lower down to 4 hours time frame to get a confirmation to see what is currently happening on the lower time frame. I went to 1 hour, I went to 30 minutes, and I was seeing that same rejection on 30 minutes. I went to 50 minutes. Remember, it is top down analysis. Then finally I went to 1 minute, and I noticed that there were a lot of rejection. All I needed was for the market to quickly come lower again, and then I entered. I decided to use 0.5 points on this trade. Remember that size, ensure you use a very tight stop loss. So that horizontal line is my stop loss as well. So I still went to daily time frame. I noticed that there was a head and shoulder pattern that has formed. See where I took out that line to mark, and I noticed that look, this market is going to let us sell, but first it will first of all push up. Daily time frame is a very huge time frame, so I came lower. So this is the time I want to initiate my trade. So I choose 5 points as my lot size, and then I'm waiting for this trade to just push a little bit lower for me to enter my trade. As usual, I enter my trade 4 entry rather, and then it was already on profit. So this is probably how I entered my snapper entry. So ensure before you use the strategy, ensure you have a concrete confirmations, like maybe you are seeing double bottom, double top, head and shoulder pattern on the lower time frame before you can take a trade. Also, if you don't see a head and shoulder pattern, you can also look for a pin bar. Like in this case, I saw a pin bar, because sometimes if the market is retracing back, you need a proper confirmation to tell you that the trend is actually changing. So this is a pin bar, so you can either decide to enter before the pin bar or you enter immediately. So this is how to take a sniper entry. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. If you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.